2198.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. Second one copy.
Suspect no weapon!
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, believe it or not, after just watching me do that awkward stuff. But I was for 6 years, and now I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new situation, new body camera, and break it down in real time using my law enforcement experience, with one goal in mind. And that goal is to answer the question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are they doing? Hello? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from police activity, gun pulled on officer, spark shootout with assault suspect. I'm feeling very manic right now, but we're going to jump into this blindly. I've never seen it. Here we go.
San Leandro 911, where's your emergency?
Yes, every dispatch sounds the same. Center your emergency.
Can you send me a police car to Walmart and Hesperia because there's a reckless guy crashing my vehicle?
Okay, did you guys crash in the parking lot or on the street?
No, he crashed me twice
In the
on purpose.
In the parking lot or on the street?
Yeah, on the parking lot. I know
Okay.
his address. He's
Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. What type of car are they in?
He's in a Toyota Tacoma.
Okay, why are you saying he purposely hit your vehicle?
Because he did.
Because I got his kids in the car.
Okay, so who is this person?
So he's the dad. I'm the stepdad. We were
Oh,
dropping him
goody.
off. We're 5 minutes late. He got mad and he crashed me on purpose.
Okay, but he hit your car with his car, correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
he backed into my car 2 times. He basically totaled my car. So can you guys please send a cop right now?
Absolutely. We're on the way. Quickly. There's the Toyota Tacoma.
I copy 18, Eagle Healing. Eastbound 164 for East 14. Is there a unit with 21?
Can you just roll the windows down for me, please?
Copy.
Roll the windows down. Stop.
Stay in the
Stop.
car.
Hey, stay right there, bro.
I don't really like where that hand is.
Stop. Stop. Hey, stop where you are right now. Hey, I don't want to tease you. 21.
Why would you tease me? Don't tease me.
One at Taser Point, uncooperative.
Copy 1 at Taser Point, uncooperative. Vehicle 33, channel 1.
Don't move right now.
Copy.
So the way he's kind of like keeping his hand close to his waistband leads me to believe, well, also the title, but that leads me to believe there could be a firearm tucked in the waistband and he's trying to keep it concealed. Yep, that's exactly.
22, copy.
Whose shots are those? Oh shit.
Shots fired.
2198.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Second one copy.
Suspect no weapon.
Dude, I'm actually like really surprised. What is the cat doing? I'm actually really surprised he was not shot like right here. Because the cop pulled his gun. Like you can see him unholster it. And he raises it. That I would have shot him right there, honestly. It's that simple.
No, you're not. In all units, code 3.
I copy. Shots fired. Gun 15 eastbound, starting county. Anyone copy?
What?
No, you're not. In all...
Shots fired.
What the
I
hell?
copy. Shots fired.
He threw it.
Gun 15 eastbound, starting county. Anyone copy?
1199, all units.
Oh
code
my
3.
gosh.
All units code 3.
Could you imagine just like driving down the street and a gun just hits your fucking your hood, the hood of your car? That would be enough to make you poop your pants or piddle.
Get on the knees! Get on the ground now!
Okay, so
Beanbag, beanbag, beanbag! Get on the ground!
so that's less lethal. That's a beanbag round. They're shooting him because he won't get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground! Beanbag deployed 2 times. Suspects on the ground, face down, hands are up. We're standing by for more units. No, hey! Get back! We're gonna stand by for more units. We're gonna get a shield and form an arrest team.
This is probably smart. However, I think they could do it with like the 4 or 5 of
Roll the
them.
windows down for me, please.
Copy.
Roll the windows down. Stop. Stop. Hey, stay right there, bro. Stop. Stop. Hey, stop where you are right now. Hey, I don't want to tease you. 21, one at one at taser point, uncooperative.
Do this thing.
Don't move. Don't move right now. I don't want to have to tase you, man.
No, this is crazy.
Don't get back in the car. Don't get back.
Let's watch this in slow motion real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Playback speed.
Back in the car. Hey, stop.
Damn. Yeah, I'm surprised he wasn't shot right there. Holy smizzokes. Oops. So the cop fired first, which is justified.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
I do like the placement of all the officers. There's no crossfire issue. They're utilizing what they have of cover. And they're not all bunched up together. That's a little sketchy. He's not muzzling him though, which is good. What I mean by muzzling, I mean like flagging him with the end of his gun. So,
Hey, show me your hands.
Move same time. Move it.
all right, here's the arrest.
Don't move.
Are you injured? Hey, are you hit? Hey, boss, are you hit? All right, roll him over.
Okay, interesting. He's really lucky he didn't get shot right there. I don't think anything connected with him or the officers. Thankfully, I don't think anyone was shot. Remember, I read a description for every single video down below. And I don't read this stuff going into it because I genuinely want to provide you with blind feedback using my law enforcement experience. Yeah, he's really lucky he didn't get shot right here when he pulled the gun for the first time. I think the officers did a fantastic job. They utilized cover, what they had. That's really about it. The cop didn't pull his gun prematurely. He pulled the taser, which I think was pretty justified based on what we knew about the situation going into it, which was that he was using his vehicle to ram the reporter's vehicle. So I'm all right with him pulling the taser pretty quickly. And at the point when the suspect stopped listening and pulled the firearm, yeah, deadly force is justified at that point. He's really lucky he's not deceased, as far as I'm concerned. I think the cops did great. I give them an A. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye-bye. Gotta go figure out how to get rid of this energy. Probably gonna go for a run. Bye.